Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something special for you. In fact, it's a Specialised cover. And this is it. It's the latest tow cover from Specialised Covers, and it's the Tow Pro Infinity. And I'm going to be talking a bit more about this and showing you what it's all about and how to fit it, because it doesn't take long to fit. Also, I'm going to explain, first of all, who are Specialised Covers? Well, they're a UK company. They were set up over 40 years ago, and originally they started out making covers for exotic cars, but they branched out into the leisure industry, and they started to make front towing covers like this one, mainly universal, and then they started to make specialised ones that actually were tailored to fit each caravan make and model. They also do full covers as well for winter or summer, depending on how long you store it away for. So let's take a look a little bit about the Tow Pro cover itself. So if you've been watching our channel from more or less the beginning, you'll know that since I started caravanning, I've always championed a tow cover on the front of your caravan. I think they're a brilliant idea. They protect it from all manner of issues, such as tar stains, general road dirt, and also farm muck as well if you're out in the countryside. But also it protects it from minor stone chips as well. And these windows are expensive, so you can imagine, you know, you don't want to build for a new window just because a small stone's flicked up and cracked it. Now, with Specialised Covers, they have now taken the towing cover, in my opinion, on the next part of its evolution, and they've made it and extended it at higher. And the reason why they've chose to do that is because they want to protect most modern caravans, because they have infinity windows. Mine does. Or if you've got a Bailey, it actually is a large one that goes up the centre and over the top. And these need protecting because they're not cheap. Mine's actually sealed in, so if that was to break, it's going to cost me a few quid to get that repaired. Yes, I am insured, but still I've got to lose my no claims bonus then, haven't I? So rather than that, I'd rather have a towing cover on, and this one fits the bill for me. I really do like the idea of this, so I'll show you. So Specialised have developed their own material, and it's called Storm Shield, and this is it. It's waterproof and it's breathable as well, and the actual cover itself has got some really good features. This has been tailor-made for my actual caravan, and they will make them for your make and model as well. All you have to do is send them the details. So one feature I do like is this, and that is there's a zip here where you can unzip and you can access the grab handles underneath. So, if you're wondering, well, I'd like to get to my gas locker because I need to switch the gas on because I'm going to make a quick brew, then that's not a problem neither, because what we can do is undo the Velcro tabs underneath here, like so. Just come around the other side. And now we have access to the gas locker, like so. Now, one thing I do like, and it does set this apart from other covers, is the fact that the cover comes down and it goes behind the A-frame and it tucks nice and neat there. Some tend to stop about here, which still exposes part of the actual front, but this, nice and snug down the front, and it'll protect that part as well. Now, as this is actually designed specific for this caravan make and model, what I do like is how they've cut this section out here and infilled it with clear PVC plastic so that you can see your running lights, which I think is a really nice feature. Okay, so to fit the cover, just unfurl it, but make sure the outside is on the ground and the inside is uppermost. Now, taking the actual side section here with the awning rail piping, we're going to feed it upwards through our awning rail channel, like so. Once we've done that, we're going to pull the cover over, making sure it sits down perfectly underneath the A-frame and across. Now, always remember to actually tuck this over like so, because what we're going to do now is we're going to release the zip from here all the way to the bottom almost, So having unzipped this section, we're now going to feed this through the awning rail channel. You have to go past it a little bit with mine to then drop it in. Now it's ready to actually zip up. Now with our steps, we're going to finish off zipping it up like that, and taking this Velcro strap that's on either side, what we're going to do is feed that through like so, and pull that quite tight so that we get a nice tension actually on the top section like so, and that is actually how you fit it. It's that simple. So to secure the base of the towing cover whilst you're travelling, Specialised have added these elasticated hooks, and these hook underneath the valance like so. And next to that we also have two more clips and this adjustable strap which fits underneath the A-frame. Well folks, that's how I fitted the TowPro Infinity Specialised cover. Now there are many methods, but if you're unsure or you're new to caravanning and you need a little help, then don't worry, because inside the packet when you get this product or any other products by them, you'll get this card, and if you turn it over, we have some QR codes on the back. Scan those and it'll send you to some videos that Specialised have made specifically for fitting this particular product or some of the other products. So you're never going to be in the dark as to fitting this when you first get it. Now a couple of points that I need to raise with you before we move on to the next part, and that is this: always wash the front of the Caravan down before you actually fit this cover. So the TowPro Infinity and the TowPro Elite Infinity were launched at the 2023 February show, and this is an evolvement. They're continuing to develop this actual product, and they're relying on your feedback. So like us, this is going to be a real world test, and if we find anything that might improve or help them with it, we'll feed it back to them. And also they're asking for your help as well if you purchase one of these. Now the features that I like mainly are these. I like the fact that the zips have got the grab handle access, and I also like the fact that the cover goes right to the bottom and tucks in front of the A-frame there. Now one thing that I have noticed in regards to this is when you take these two zips up and access the locker point, there's nowhere to really actually store this bit, and it seems to flop all over the place. So my solution for it is this: is to undo it and roll it up, and then when the actual gas lock is open, just tuck it behind there and it'll fit nice and neatly. Failing that, what could happen maybe eventually, Specialised might fit some form of Velcro system up here so that it can actually tuck onto that and it's out the way, and it makes life a lot easier. But maybe that's something for the future. Now if you're interested in this cover or any covers by Specialised, I'm going to leave a link below, let you check them out for yourself. But I'd like to thank Specialised Covers for allowing us to do the real world test on this, and also yourselves for watching. Thank you very much. I hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.